Alright, this is going to be a remake video of this 52-inch Hampton Genoa ceiling fan from December of 1986. As you remember, in late February until mid-April, we were remodeling our garage, and we put two junction boxes in the ceiling when we were almost done remodeling it, because the garage originally had no ceiling fans. And this junction box right here was my test rig. The other junction box over there is where my Evergo is. So this fan here is the very first fan I've hung on my test rig. Forgot to mention the Evergo's installed permanently. Here's a closer look at the fan. 2 years ago I got this off of Craigslist for $25. Me and my dad drove all the way up to Tampa to get it, which is about 30 minutes away from here. But it was worth it since these are pretty cool fans. I added this tassel on it. There's a Hampton Bay logo on the switch housing. And it's not painted on there, it's on a sticker. It's got the Emperor style brackets, and the blades are reversible cane to just a plain oak. There's a top shot of the fan. The downrod and the canopy are not original. Alright, without further ado, I'll go ahead and demonstrate it for you, starting off with the light. And now for low. These are pretty cool fans. These are actually one of the first Hampton Bay fans ever. This one's made by Aircool. I think Hampton Bay first started somewhere around 1985, 1986, somewhere around there. Here's medium. Here's high. Alright, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video.